Hello guys, today in this video we are going to learn how to program the location of the Avni addressable panel. So this is our software React 1.3.4. So first we have to open the software. So username is admin, password is 54321, user type is also admin and we have to log in. Now this is our software. So there is an option file. So first we have to click on file and we have to create a new project. New project name, suppose demo, installation company Ravel, programmer name Kasim, and panel model is Avni. Then save. Now we have to open same file in open. Then panel model is Avni, project name is demo, and panel address is 1, and our mode is USB. This is USB. Now we have to open the file. So this is our interface. First we have to connect the laptop with the panel. So we have to go to communication, then connect. Now our panel is communicating. So we have to go to loop card. Now we already did the autolearn in our panel. So we have to click on read devices. So right now I am selecting loop card number 1 and then read device. So after read device, all the devices which is in our panel is comes in software. So these are our devices. 81 devices are there. 6 MCPs, 1 zone module, 7 control module, and 1 optical sensor, and 65 multi sensor. Same as we have to read the devices of loop card number 2. So devices are come. Now same loop card number 3, read device. So our all the 3 devices of the panel comes in our software. Now for location programming, we have to first go to program and click on export. Now we have to save the file on desktop with the name, suppose demo. So after that our software file will convert in an Excel file. So we can give the location in Excel file. Then we have to save it. Okay. Demo 1, then save. So our file is exported successfully. So this is our file demo 1. Now we have to open is okay. Now there are loop number 1, 2, 3 are showing. First we have to give location to loop number 1. Suppose all the devices in loop number 1 are on ground floor. So we type ground floor. Now we just copy same location in all the devices. So just copy and paste. Now loop number 2, suppose all the devices of loop number 2 are on first floor. Control C and paste. Loop number 3, same, suppose all the devices are on third floor. Now location of all the devices is done. Now we have to save this file. Save. Now we close this file and open the software. Now we have to click on program, then import. So now we have to import the same file in which we will give the location. This is demo1. So click on demo1 and open. That's it. So now see, all the location is comes in our software. Loop number 1, loop number 2 and loop number 3. Now we have to send the data in our panel. So we already communicated with the panel, correct status is connected. Now click on edit and update all. Okay. Same loop number 2, edit and update all. Okay. Same edit and update all. So location program for all the 3 loops is done.